this windy Sunday, March afternoon here in North Potomac, Maryland. I'm excited not only to share that we have hit peak cherry blossom bloom, as I guess peak back of muffler, but also 2,000 miles ridden on my wonderful 1985 Peugeot PH10LE Mangaloy road bike that you can see here before you. I don't have too many updates to share. I just wanted to make a quick video celebrating yet another milestone. I got a really nice 30-mile or so ride recently that combined cherry blossom viewing with a really nice sunset. I'll have to find some way to share photos of that in the description. But with that said, I'm just looking forward to next hitting 3,000 miles, 4,000 miles, 5,000 miles, and having some updates that honestly will probably be pretty quick because I haven't done a lot to the bike itself. I have noticed that the rear Kenda Countach tire has been cut up, punctured a few more times. It's held well, I think, for another 300 miles. I'm getting close to 2,000 miles on it. But at some point I should plan to replace these tires with Schwalbe Marathons that I got as 700 by 25 size. That'll last quite a bit longer. Surprisingly enough, the old dry rotted beat up Vittoria Zafiro tire on the front is handling just fine. I haven't had any punctures on it, but then again, my weight and the weight of groceries and various odds and ends have all been on the rear wheel. I talked a little bit about the ZOS G2 bike computer. I'll have to do a longer video on that itself in the not too distant future. But the maintenance item that I really need to get to is cleaning up the drivetrain that's starting to get kind of grungy here since I last cleaned that up about 500 miles ago. But that said, I haven't heard too much clacking against the front derailleur like I did 500 or so miles ago before the last cleanup. So I think in a few more rides, maybe on some nice afternoon, I'll put that foaming degreaser all over the chain, clean it up, get this cleaned up nicely and lubed up nicely to go maybe a few thousand miles. I'm pretty sure this is the original chain. I don't think I replaced that yet, but I'm guessing in about 3,000 at the 3,000 mile mark, I'll probably have to replace that. I think that's pretty much it for the update. Right after I finish recording this video, I plan to ride a metric century out to Urbana and Damascus, Maryland via Green Valley and back. Coming back through Ladensville and Gaithersburg. That should be a lot of fun. I guess one thing I have noticed now that it's warming up later in March and spring has come is that this feels a lot nicer to ride. With that said, I hope you appreciate this update. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Have a great one.